Hello, my name is Nastasio Ciprian and I'm data analyst at Business Technology Provider, and I have been working here for 1 year and 6 months. Also, I'm a desktop specialist on Tableau, and today in this skill peel I will show you how to create a donut chart. So we will work with the dataset provided by Tableau, Global Superstore, with the orders table. So to create a donut chart in Tableau, we will start from a pie chart. And the easiest way to create a pie chart in Tableau is to select a dimension. In this case we will use category, and I will also select a measure. I will choose profit. Now I will go on to the show me option and I will select my chart. Okay, now we can see our pie chart. I will want to see on the entire view, and also I will want to see in numbers the exact value for each category. To be easier to understand how much represent each category from the total, I will create a quick table calculation on our profit, a percent of total. So now we can see exact in percentages how much represents each category from the total. Okay. Further, to create a donut chart, we will have to free some space inside our pie chart. And to do that in Tableau, we'll use dual axis. So I'll bring number of records on the rows level twice to have the two axes. I will also check dual axis option, and we will work only with the minimum of this measure. Okay, now you can see our axes are synchronized, and to have more space I will just release the headers. Also, I will increase the size to have a better view. Okay, so like I said, we will want to free some space inside our pie chart, and we can see now at the marks that we'll have our two axes, our two pie charts created, but we can work independently on them. So I will leave the first one as it is, and on the second one I will just release from the color and also our profit. So now just to compare, I will bring profit on the label, and now we can have a better view to see exact in percentages how much represents each category, but we'll also have the final sum of profit for all categories to compare with the entire total. So now we'll have to have the same color inside our pie chart with the background. In this case will be white, so I will choose the white color. Now we can see that our pie chart is gone, but it's gone only because we have the same size as was in the first pie chart. So I will get a smaller size, and now we can see our pie chart with a white circle inside of him. Okay, I will let it this way, and now we can see that we have our donut chart. with the percentage of each category, how much represents from the total, and in the middle we'll always have the total for the categories that are selected. So if we want to select only two categories to compare between them, to have a comparison between them, we can bring category to the filters. Now we can see that we have categories on filters, and we'll have it on the right above the category color legend, and we can select only two categories and see exactly how much represent each one from the total. Now you can see also that the total is changed and is the sum only between the selected categories, and in percentages we can see how much represents each one of them from the total of only the selected ones. Okay, and we can easily go back and have our donut chart for the entire categories, for all three categories. Okay, this is it. Our donut chart is ready. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask us. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day. Bye.